Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Unleashing loading docks from the confines of concrete, Dockzilla is the king of modern loading docks. Minnesota-based Dockzilla engineers relentlessly inventive portable loading docks, dock houses, forklift ramps, and distribution platforms. The company also manufactures rail boards, safety barriers, heavy implement loading equipment, and much more. The Dockzilla portable loading dock leads the lineup. Built of heavy steel, it's architecturally sound and as reliable as its concrete counterparts. It's smart because it's engineered to anticipate loading operation. It's tough, standing up to repeated impact from trailers and forklifts. Yet it's easily removable and relocatable, making it an ideal fit for fast-paced distribution and loading operations. The Dockzilla Dockhouse is another modular solution. Attached to a facility's exterior, this self-contained loading dock is the only one of its kind in the U.S. It features its own doors, dock shelter and leveler, and vehicle restraint. Dockhouse saves usable floor space on the inside, as well as the expense of digging out a loading pit. Its modular vestibule design provides thermal benefits and seals out unwanted contaminants. Unlike permanent loading docks that you have to work around, Dockzilla configurations work at any property, creating monster efficiency and increasing productivity and safety. Whether you need a new or retrofitted loading dock, a better way to unload boxcars, or a flexible loading solution, Dockzilla delivers velocity at the loading dock. See for yourself by visiting dockzilla.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.